Mr. Chief Justice, and may it please the court. Without presidential immunity from criminal prosecution, there can be no presidency as we know it. For 234 years of American history, no president was ever prosecuted for his official acts. The framers of our Constitution viewed an energetic executive as essential to securing liberty. If a president can be charged, put on trial, and imprisoned for his most controversial decisions as soon as he leaves office, that looming threat will distort the.
Well, it's a safer place for the Supreme Court to be. They don't like to decide more than they need to decide, and that's just any federal judge does not want to decide more than they need to decide, especially when you're dealing with a novel legal issue like whether a president of the United States is immune from criminal prosecution for their official acts. And I think you're going to have a very narrow holding here, and it's simply this: that the president, any president, is immune from criminal prosecution for.
Donald Trump thinks presidents should be allowed to commit crimes. Rubbish. Trump claims that, quote, a president of the United States must have full immunity from prosecution for any crime committed while in office. His lawyers even claim that a president could be immune from prosecution for having a political opponent assassinated. Trump says that anything less than total immunity would, quote, incapacitate every future president. Baloney. It would incapacitate him. He's the only president who's been criminally charged with trying to orchestrate a violent coup.
Malum in se is a concept long viewed as appropriate in law, that there's some things that are so fundamentally evil that they have to be protected against. Now, I think, and your answer below, I'm going to give you a chance to say if you stay by it. If the president decides that his rival is a corrupt person and he orders the military or orders someone to assassinate him, is that within his official acts that for which he can get immunity?
It would depend on the hypothetical, but we can see that.
Wow. Today they had oral hearing for the Trump case. We know the hash money case, and the Supreme Court has hearing, and they will see trying what to do with President Donald Trump. We see all the Supreme Court judges, everybody was there, and President Donald Trump lawyer. Before the case even, we could see President Donald Trump was outside giving his own speech. We all know that President Donald Trump is full of, he's a never giving up. He's very motivated. He'll motivate himself, even nobody motivate him. We could see him being motivated, and he was trying to make some statement. According to him, there's no reason why they're holding this case. He has not seen anything that he has done wrong. Even concerning the hash money fraud, they are trying to pull him down. To him, basically, it's just political gang up. To him, President Biden is the one that ought to be judged, because President Biden allowed mentally deranged people, drunkards, people who are from jail, to get into America without even checking them. Which, according to him, President Biden just need to make one phone call. After that one phone call, the borders will be closed. So according to President Donald Trump, he has not seen anything wrong that he has done. According to the Supreme Court, according to some people are judging that the SCOTUS, the Supreme Court is delaying when it concerning other matter, like was the voting for President Donald Trump. They ran and they try to give result effect already, because the Supreme Court, according to some people, they will fascinate the case according when they want or when they don't want. So they are trying to delay this president, put the January 6th on hold. According to them, they will finish with this, the immunity, before they come to January 6th. Obviously, President Donald Trump is saying if he's being put president before all that cases, he's going to shut it down he's going to fire all the lawyer. So there's nothing anybody can do. So according to some people, the Supreme Court is trying to delay because the January 6th, for example, ought to start in March. But the Supreme Court fast forwarded and they do hearing today. The next hearing will be on the January and May 9. That's what was said. So they have never come up with any concluded. But listening from before President Trump went in, he was being interviewed by some reporters. So they were asking him. So according to President Donald Trump, he went ahead and said that some of his people wanted to come, but the court is full of. If his people want to come, but the court they don't allow people to enter. They have put military people outside there. His member cannot come in, and there is no way. There's army everywhere. But some journalists came and denied what he was saying, that he's lying, because some people were blocked. It's nobody's fault. It's his fault, so he should stop blaming people. Obviously, we could see the morale, the courage that President Donald Trump had and felt coming in. We could see the oral argument held like for 2 hours, and everybody was giving their own opinion. President Donald Trump's lawyer went and said that a president needs immunity, because if you don't have immunity, anyone can do you anyhow. According to the president, you can even put in a scenario that even your own people will crucify you. President Donald Trump lawyer give an example that what about Obama? Obama could have also been put in trial for letting people die abroad. George Bush could have also been put on trial for letting people die abroad. President Biden might be put on trial for allowing foreign people come into the country. Have immunity even for not everything, some specific things. So according to the judges, the sole reason with President Donald Trump lawyer, and obviously it seems President Donald Trump is winning. It looks like he will no more go to jail. It looks like he's going to win this case out. So actually, what do you think after listening to it? Do you think President Donald Trump is going to what's going to happen to him? Is he going to go to jail? Is he going to win the case? Can I see your opinion in the comment section? Thank you very much for watching. If you are not subscribed, please help subscribe and help share the video. God bless you. Underneath this video, there's a link for my shop fees store. There's a lot of goodies you can buy. Holidays is coming, you can buy for yourself, for your spouses, your children, whatever you want. It's on that shopping. It's an online shop, and the link will be on the description board. Please help and support me. Thank you very much for watching.